government in West Bengal on Monday carried out a massive cabinet expansion, inducting 35 new ministers into Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari's administration barely 3 weeks after he and 5 senior leaders were sworn in following the party's landmark victory in the state. The swearing-in ceremony was held at Nabanna at 11 a.m. where Governor RN Ravi administered the oath of office and secrecy to the newly inducted ministers. With the latest expansion, the strength of the West Bengal ministry has now risen to 41, including the Chief Minister. The expansion is being seen as the first major political consolidation exercise by the BJP government after coming to power in Bengal. The new team includes a mix of senior political faces, organizational leaders, regional representatives, and first-time ministers, signaling the party's attempt to balance caste, community, and regional equations across the state. Out of the 35 ministers inducted on Monday, 13 BJP MLAs took oath as cabinet ministers, 3 were sworn in as ministers of state with independent charge, while 19 others joined the government as ministers of state. Among those sworn in as cabinet ministers were. Now let's take a look at the cabinet ministers. That includes Swapan Das Gupta, Arjun Singh, Manoj Oran, Jagannath Chattopadhyay, Tapash Roy, Deepak Burman, Shankar Ghosh, Kalyan Chakravarti, Arup Kumar Das, Ajay Kumar Pudar, Saradwat Mukhopadhyay, Dud Kumar Mondol, and Gauri Shankar Ghosh. Moving on to ministers of state independent charge, that has Malati Rava Roy, Indranil Khan, Rajesh Mahato. Ministers of state are Ashok Dinda, Umesh Roy, Kaushik Chaudhary, Kalita Maji, Momita Biswas Misra, Gargi Ghosh Das, Dipankar Jana, Purnima Chakravarti, Bisal Lama, Hari Krishna Bera, Anandamoy Burman, Shantanu Pramanik, Viraj Biswas, Amiya Kisku, Joel Murmu, Bhaskar Bhattacharya, Dibakar Gharami, Sumanna Shorkar, and Noder Chand Bauri.
আমি ঈশ্বরের নামে শপথ করিতেছি যে বিধি দ্বারা স্থাপিত ভারতের সংবিধানের প্রতি আমি নিষ্ঠা ও অনুসরণ করিব। আমি ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব ও অখণ্ডতা রক্ষা করিব। পশ্চিমবঙ্গের রাজ্যের মন্ত্রীরূপে আমার কর্তব্যসমূহ নিষ্ঠাপূর্বক এবং বিবেকসম্মতভাবে পালন করিব এবং ভয় বা পক্ষপাত বৃত্তি বা বিদ্বেষ রহিত হইয়া সকল শ্রেণীর জনগণের প্রতি সংবিধান ও বিধি অনুসারে ন্যায় আচরণ করিব।